Alright guys, let's get started. We're gonna march it out first. Getting ready to start a 10-minute workout, 30 seconds each exercise. Let's go. Remember, the goal here is to keep moving. So let's go. Keep it moving. Side to side. Double tap. 1, 2, back. 1, 2. Good job. Arms are moving. If your arms are tired, it's okay to slow it down. But try to keep it moving. Yes. Perfect. Stretch it out. Double tap. Double tap. Yes. Good. Excellent. Double. And now we're twisting. Yes, one of my favorite exercises. We're twisting. Core engaged. Arms are moving. Torso moving. Yes. Side to side. Woo. 30 seconds. Yes. Moving, moving, moving. Keep neck up tight. Woo. Yes. We're gonna go into butt kicking. Next step. And back. Good, good arms. Open, up. Open, up. Yes. Woo. You can keep it here or do the combination. Alright? Either way works. As long as we're moving. Back. Back. Yes. Let's go. A few more. Woo! Yes. We're gonna go to imagine we're jumping rope. Let's go. Jumping rope with your arms. Side to side. Woo! Circles, circles, circles. Move your arms. Yes. Keep breathing. Good job. Let's go. Yeah. Being that cardio. Woo! Yes. And we go up, 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 up. Same leg. Lift it. Woo! Lift it. Yes. Up, up. Yes. Lift it. Lift it. Yes. Little jump or simply pick it up. Up. Let's go. We're gonna switch legs. Just a second. Now, knee, back. Woo. Little jump. Up. Yes. Little jump. Back. Little jump. High. Lift it. Yes. Up. And we go. Up. Working those ups as well as the legs here. Woo. More. Up. And up. There. And go here. Little bit of a squat. You don't have to go you ready? Let's go. Yes, you can get up high or keep it down or march in place, move your arms. It works, everything works as long as you're challenging yourself. Let's go. You got this. Keep on moving. Woo. Arms, knees up, core engaged. Yes. few seconds. And we did it. Woo. Side, open, elbows up. Ha. Yes. Open up. Elbows. Ha. Let's go. Double, double. Usages are all body weight. Bend. Yes. Side. Good job. Now punch. 2, double, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, double, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that. Let's go. Let's go. Double. Ha. Double. Again. Double. Woo. Again. Yes. Very good. Now here we go. Side, center, side, center, side, center, side, center. It doesn't matter how high you lift it, as long as we are keeping up a good form and also challenging ourselves. Up and up again. Little by little, we're getting into that routine of exercise. Go. Now, squat and knee. Squat and knee. You can simply do a little tap back like this if you don't want to go too low. Or if you want to go low, let's do this. Pushing your hips back, leaning a little bit forward. Let's do it. Up. And again. Up. And again. Up. Very good. Now back. Here. Lifting. Up, run, side to side. Let's go. Woo. Put your hands back just as a motivator to feel your heels touching your hands. But you totally don't have to get there. Alright? Let's do it. Woo. Only a few more. Up. And extend your arms up. Let's alternate. Lift it. Yes. Core and legs. Working the squats when you're lifting. Working the core. Pulling up. Let's go. Breathing. Smiling. Woo. Bring water whenever you need it. Aha. Up. 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 Side. Let's go. Side. 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 Get low. Pull your arms down. Get low. Side. Yes. Woo, working those muscles on the glutes and legs. Transfer. Transfer, yes. Let's go. Up and down. Woo. Good. Keeping that core engaged. Every time you are pulling your knee up, use that core power. Let's go. Arms go all the way up and pull. Nice, give it. Good job. We keep moving. Yes, and then we go side, side, stretching. Yes, side, side. Step back, step
we are done. Congratulations on completing this workout. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am very happy that you made it. Keep on moving. Try to make this workout more than once if possible. Otherwise, doing one is great to start. Please drink water and go at your own pace throughout the workout. Make sure you stretch. You can stretch a little more if you feel you need to or want to. Now your body is warm, it's a great time to stretch. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I hope this workout got you heart pumping and make you feel your best. Bye.